guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Easter Sunday. Spent some family time here, my wife and my baby, and I figured, you know, the weather's really nice. I was gonna take you guys out for a spin, but I have been looking at the comments, and I did see about the whole view being up too high on the camera, which I understand. So I made a little something here. I've rigged up something with the GoPro fittings, and hopefully this is a little bit lower. I hope you guys like this a little bit more. My mouth is really close to the camera, so I hope I'm not being too loud. I'm gonna go do something essential with the Supra. I need to go get fuel and my stuff by the store. So yeah, hope you guys can actually get a better view. Oh, and for those who have been asking me about the motor on the car, I'll show it to you guys real quick. This is it. If y'all want to know more about it, there's a build breakdown video. These guys in a little four-wheeler trying to chase me. Oh, y'all see him there in the mirror? I got two four-wheelers behind me. Yeah guys, so I needed a break. I needed a break from working on that red Supra. It's been a lot of work, and as y'all may or may not have seen on the last video, I ran into a big issue with the heater core. So that means the entire dash, everything has to come apart. I mean, pretty much everything here. And so I found a company in the UK, and actually placed an order. They made me one, shipped it out, and surprisingly enough, I already received it. It's crazy how fast it got here. Got my customs paperwork and everything. But I'm gonna be taking that on this week. So, but before I get into that big headache, I decided, you know, I was gonna take this baby out for a spin and, you know, go out for a cruise. Especially since I haven't driven it in about a month, ever since we started this whole shelter at home deal. Those guys are recording me. I don't know if y'all saw their phones. Yeah, so I have the car on the lowest setting right now. For any of my new subscribers, I'm not sure if y'all have seen the build breakdown video, but the lowest settings, 770 horsepower. And that's 770 through a turbo 400 and a pretty high stall. So I mean, it doesn't register as much as it really puts down, but I mean, yeah, if y'all want to know dyno numbers, that's what it is. Yeah, so y'all keep in mind, this is setting 1 out of 5. This entire video is going to be on the lowest setting, but we have really fresh air right now, so the car's going to run really strong. We got a little bit of tire spin there. Tires are really cold. It's fresh outside, and it did rain a little bit earlier, so the roads might be a little bit moist. That's the reason I'm only gonna have the car on setting 1. Anything more than that, it's gonna be a little bit too dangerous. So just some information for y'all. This is a 3-speed transmission, turbo 400. It works very similar to a sequential transmission. I know a lot of people have asked me that, and people ask me why 3 speeds, why only 3 gears. So let me explain this to y'all. First gear goes all the way up to 85 miles an hour. Second gear goes all the way to a little over a bit, 140 miles an hour in second gear. Third gear will go over 200 miles an hour. So you may not see me shift the car a lot, but trust me, the car is moving. See if we can do a small pull here. Y'all remember what I told you about how fast the top speed of each gear? That was just about the top of second gear. That's on setting 1, so just give yourselves an idea of what the car can actually do on the highest setting. Yeah, and since it's really fresh out right now, the computer actually registered 1,022 horsepower on that pull. It registered 1,022 and 658 torque. I mean, but just keep in mind, you guys, these are just computers telling you what it's registering based on the performance of the car. It's not accurate, okay? Just want to throw that out there. E85, look at that. E85 is $1, what, $1.19? Damn, that actually kind of scared me. That was so loud. Let's see how good the ethanol content is. It's actually really good. Not sure if y'all can see that, but it's registering 84, 80, and it's fluctuating between 84 and 85% ethanol, so it's really good. That's great. That's exactly what we need. Carbon fiber lip, so I gotta go out slow. I did also want to tell y'all, I know I've had a lot of downtime in between videos, and I'm probably going to be real busy for the next few days with the red Supra. So I wanted to tell y'all, I do have a, for my 2G DSM, you know, the Eclipse Talons fans, I have a couple of videos that I recorded on some upgrades that I did to my car, and did a little POV video that unfortunately did not go as planned. But I have a little install video, then a POV video, and I'm gonna be uploading that. I know most of you guys are here for Supra content, but I know I do have a few DSM followers, so I'm gonna upload those videos for y'all. I hope y'all enjoy them. And also my Mustang, I need to do some upgrades, kind of maintenance stuff on that, and I'm gonna do a video on that too, just gonna show y'all the things that can kind of wear out on these cars, especially at the horsepower levels that they're at. So you'll be seeing here a few videos of each other car, the Eclipse and the Mustang, and obviously this video, and then some progress videos of the red Supra. So just going to give y'all an update on that. My girl just texted me. She said I could still hear you from inside the house. That was like 18 minutes ago. I'm assuming that's whenever I left. That truck on my right was speeding up as I was speeding up, and then that BMW, I don't know what he was trying to do, so I had to just kind of get away. Sometimes it's easier, just drive away. It's really windy out today. I was gonna take the Targa top off. My wife suggested I take it off, but it's super windy, and I have one of my caps covering this contraption that I made for the GoPro. It almost flew off. yeah, there ain't much going on in downtown, you guys. So just gonna cruise around a little bit and then go home. One of my Instagram followers, or I think it was Instagram or YouTube, he put that driving this car was essential for mental health. So that's what we're doing. This turned into a nighttime POV. I know some of y'all had requested that, so there you go. I got a question. Would y'all like to get a POV video of just nothing but the car noise? Which means I won't say a single word. I won't say anything. All you're gonna hear is just the car, the turbo noises, the exhaust, the whatever squeaks or whatever rattles, just the car. You won't hear me speak. If y'all want me to do something like that, I mean, I guess it would be pretty fun to do. I mean, I wouldn't mind it. So let me know if you guys want to see something like that. I don't know, it's just an idea from my haters that don't like me talking. No, just kidding, y'all. Nothing but love, man. I appreciate all y'all's feedback, whether it's good or bad. I appreciate it all, man. And I'm sure y'all have noticed that I reply to almost every single one of y'all's comments, or at least if I know that you need an answer, or you're asking me something, I think I've replied to every single one of y'all. This is a Cowtown, Fort Worth Stockyards. For any of y'all who are not familiar with Fort Worth, Texas, it's pretty popular here. They do like rodeos and stuff at this stadium over here to the right. Over there, right there. See the little horses, the cattle and stuff there, the statues. When I was younger, I used to cruise around here all the time. That's all I would do, is just cruise around. I had nothing else to do, so I'll just drive. Life changes. Do that whenever you're gonna go under a bridge, so y'all hit the gas? I do, as long as I can remember. All right, you guys, so I am home. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys enjoyed this different angle of the car. If you did, drop me a like, leave me a comment, just let me know if you like this a little bit more. Stay tuned for those other videos that I told you about, the Eclipse and the Mustang, and of course I'll bring videos of this car out as much as I can until this whole quarantine virus thing's over. It's going to be a little bit difficult, but I'll do my best. Anyways, you guys, catch y'all later. Thank y'all so much, man. Appreciate all the support. Later.